If the pair of linear equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and 2px plus p minus q of y is equal to 28 has infinite number of solutions, then this ordered pair p comma q is equal to what? So we have to solve and get the values of p and q. So we have a condition, these two linear equations, they have infinitely many solutions. That means their coefficients are going to be proportional, that's all. That means we have here x's coefficient is 2, by here it's 2p, so 2 by 2p should be equal to y. So here y's coefficient is 3, 3 by, so here it is p minus q. This is equal to right hand side, both the sides, both the equations we have the constants on the right hand side only, so no issues. 7 by 20. So all these are proportional, that's all. So that means we can now separate them as two different equations. So we'll take 2 by 2p is equal to, this is 7 by 28 becomes 1 by 4. And here individually 3 by p minus q, this is again equal to 1 by 4. So I'm individually equating this with this, this with this. So done. Means from here I will get p is equal to 4, simple. Here we will be getting cross multiplication, p minus q is equal to 3 4s are 12. That means 4 minus q is 12, or q is equal to 4 minus 12. That means it should be minus 8. So p is 4, q is minus 8. Our answer has to be 4 comma minus 8, which is in option B. Done. Option B. So we'll check this. Yeah, we are perfectly right. Option B is the right answer.